brutal, especially if some of the outside.
We snowed in. This is the blizzard of 2011. I ain't going to work for 4 days. Let's look outside and see how it looks. You can't even see. There's snow everywhere. Let's go to the porch. See how high it is. You really can't tell though. I'm gonna see can I take a better one.